Hello, I'm Dr. Christopher Wild and I'm an orthopedic surgeon with Tulsa Bone Joint. When I thought about picking a career field, I wanted to pick something where I could help people, a field that I would find challenging and fulfilling, and so that's why I chose medicine. And then I shadowed an orthopedic surgeon about halfway through medical school at St. John's actually. I was just impressed with the amount of improvement he could garner to someone's life in a short amount of time, and so that's why I decided to eventually go into orthopedics too. When I thought about pursuing a fellowship, it wasn't just my needs I had to think about. I had a commitment to the Air Force, and the Air Force needs a lot of general orthopedics. I commissioned as an officer before medical school. They agreed to pay for my medical training at University of Oklahoma, and then I was awarded a spot to do orthopedic surgery residency in a civilian setting. And so I did a non-military residency in orthopedics in Dayton, Ohio, and got to work with some military orthopedic surgeons from the base there at Wright-Patterson. And then when I was done with training, since they had already worked with me, they decided that they would try to keep me there. And so I just stayed in town, but started working at the Air Force Base there at Wright-Patterson Air Force Base as an active duty orthopedic surgeon. And I practiced there for 4 years. During the last year of my practice, I was deployed to Afghanistan for 5.5 months during COVID, and treated service members and allies there in Afghanistan during that time. So I treat a wide range of orthopedic conditions. I treat surgically and non-surgically arthritis of the hip, knee, and shoulder. I can fix torn ligaments and tendons throughout the upper and lower extremities. I do arthroscopic procedures on the shoulders and knees, and I enjoy helping people recover from injuries and treating patients' fractures. I love what I do because I get to help somebody in a different way every day, whether it's fixing someone's wrist or fixing their hip, fixing their torn rotator cuff, or replacing a hip or a knee. And it's just very rewarding to get to be part of the team that gets people back to doing what they love.